Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah. Wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Today, I'm I'm gonna preparing my dinner, and I'm gonna show you about about what anything that need to be prepared before the dinner. Let's do it. Bismillah. First, we need the dishes for the dinner. Alhamdulillah, I already preparing it by buying it on the way here, a bag from the class. So we don't need to worry about that. And we just need to preparing it and we're ready to eat. Second, we need to cleaning the rooms. Second, we need to cleaning the rooms. This is where I usually take the dinner, so we need to make this empty. Put the table here, put this one there, and there, and there. Y'all don't need to see it. Alhamdulillah, the place is already clear. So we can eat in a peaceful and clean place. Don't worry about the edge of the wall. Then we need to prepare the rice. Oh no, we out of the rice. Don't worry, we have many to be cooked with. Right here. We just need to cook it. Bismillah. First, we need the cup. Where's the cup? Mazikri, cup mana Mazikri? Cup untuk beras. Oh, ini dia. Oh, here's the cup. For the cooking, it's hot. Put for since with just there is only two of us in this room for dinner, we just need to make 3 cups for tonight and the next morning. Then using the water to wash the rice. It's hard to doing it with one hand, okay? Oh, rinse it. Just a few more time. Don't need to be too long. Since we don't want to waste the vitamin. We only need since we put 3 cup of rice, then we need 3 cup of water plus 1. Then it's make 4. That make it 4. 1, the first. The second, I just gonna clean this way. Even though I can just clean it with my hand, but I don't want my hand to touch the rice at the moment. Don't want to make my hand wet. Even though it's already wet to begin with. 3. Sometimes I just losing count. Alhamdulillah, this time I doesn't forget it at all. And less of it 4. After we adding water, we need to clean the magic first. What is it? Bowl? You just call it bowl then. Using the towel here. It's dry and ready. It's dry and we ready to start the cooking. Put it in the magic, close it, make sure the cable is already plugged in, and turn on the cook mode. And we just wait. It's usually less than half an hour, so don't worry. We get a gallon full of water. Yay! Alhamdulillah, we already prepared the dinner table. Table. It's not the table in the floor anyway. With the chicken, the chili. I hope I'm buying from the Padang eatery. And they always giving the free chili, but well, The other shop giving you so many vegetables, so maybe I just keep sticking to that for the time. The water, the rice, oh yeah, the rice. We just waiting for the rice. Why is not just preparing that? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We have so many what would be called lalapan, but for me it's just a freshly vegetable, freshly leaf. It doesn't like I very like it or anything okay, but it's hard to be open by one hand. Alhamdulillah, I buy so many vegetables that make it so green. Let's just trying some of it. Bismillah. I don't know. Did I eating using right hand or the left hand? I'm supposed to eat by the right hand. Here's my dinner. I told you why I have no problem eating a leaf just like this. It's because the healthy elements. Because of its nutrition, I get motivated and have no problem at all at eating whatever it tastes, even at bitter, even when it gets so bitter. But this one is so good. This is what Bu Yuyun call a soup. A soup, I guess. And since I don't have any chili to make to spice things up, I just using the actual Chilean. What? Really simple but really nutrition. It seems like the rice is ready. Let's look inside. Ah, yay! Take a towel. Whoop. Grab it. Don't worry, the towel is not touching even a single piece of the rice. Put it in here. And voila! Alhamdulillah, the rice is ready. And with some of Mr. Zikri ketchup. Is it really ketchup? Oh, soy sauce. I pour a little, just little, in here, in here, in here. Okay. Wait a minute. It's supposed to be on the video. I forget. It's hard. Kayak main game rasanya. It feel like playing a game. Sorry, I panic, so I using the Indonesian language. Alhamdulillah. Okay. That's all. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna take a dinner, so let's keep our pray together. May we meet again with a stronger iman and ketakwaan. See you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.